Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the vehicle to RUN so the ECU and ignition modules are live. Once done, identify the ECU connector, coil pack or distributor harness, and the tach feed to the instrument cluster. Those are your candidates. Use the wiring diagram to narrow likely pin colors, then backprobe one lead at a time with the meter set to volts or frequency. Doing this first lets you rapidly eliminate unrelated circuits and focus on the real RPM signal path. Once you have a candidate wire, verify what the ECU or ignition sends and why that matters. Tachometers expect a square wave or pulsed signal, while some systems use coil-negative AC pulses. Use an oscilloscope to observe waveform shape and amplitude. If you lack a scope, use a frequency read multimeter during cranking to see pulses per second. Make sure to crank the engine or have a helper while you safely backprobe. That confirms which conductor actually tracks engine revolutions. You finish by confirming the discovered wire gives a reliable RPM reading. Compare it to a scan tool or the dash tach under varied engine speeds. Once confirmed, make a proper tapped connection. Solder, shrink tubing, and secure away from high-voltage coil leads and heat. If you get no signal, make sure the ignition module and ECU have power and ground, check continuity back to the sensor, and swap or bench test the pickup or coil negative. Many failures are simple power or sensor faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.